every year in September, I host a free class that's called the 9 Patchalong. And this year in September actually is going to be the 6th year of this fun class. The purpose of this class is to show you how to use my machine quilting rulers on 9 patch quilt blocks. So it's really fun. You can join any of the last 5 years at any time over on our website, but it takes me probably about a year to create a full class, so I'm already in the process of creating and coming up with ideas, and it's really, for me, super fun because it's a chance to play around and get creative. So on this quilt, I have actually already quilted my top border. I love that. I've quilted my first couple of blocks and my first sashing, and I did not love how I quilted my first sashing. I actually shared a video of that. But today I've got another idea. I'm hoping what I have in my brain is going to translate on fabric. So let's hop down here to the machine and let's see if it all works out. I'll start out this sashing by doing a bit of marking. So I've actually taken a business card. If you have any other type of template, you could do this, but I took a business card and cut it into a 1-inch square. My thought is that I'm going to now mark some little squares, but on point through here. And I'm thinking about 3 in between each, so 9 of them total. I'm going to be using the disappearing ink marking pen to mark these out. Now, I really don't have any rules here. Just mark it out and see. And maybe that's something that I like about marking is I know ahead of time if I like the way the design looks. Actually, I'll let you in on a little secret. I already marked out this design one time and I did not like the way that it looked. I didn't like the size of the squares, so I cut my template down a little bit. And this is actually take 2. So now that I have all of my marking done, I'm going to use the mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler. Because this is ruler quilting, of course I want to have a ruler foot here on my Gammill machine. I'll be doing all my quilting here in the stitch regulated mode, and I have my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch. So I'm going to stitch all the way around each square, and you will notice that I'm going to need to travel over my original stitch line as I work through these. I'm okay with that because I'm using this so fine thread, so it blends really nicely. Plus I'm going to do the heavy background filler, which I think will just give an awesome look. Let's quilt it out. All right, now it's time to really start adding that texture. So to do that, I'm going to use the side of my mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler here, and I'm going to fill in with heavy matchstick quilting. So I'm keeping these lines maybe a quarter, not even a quarter, like 1/8 of an inch apart as I quilt them out. All right, so I filled in one side all the way. I like this. This is more what I was thinking. Honestly, I might even go with less of these and make it a little less busy. But overall, I'm really liking this design. Now I'll fill in this side with those heavy matchstick quilting. I love how that sashing turned out. Definitely more what I had in mind. But if you didn't see last week's video, make sure you go check that one out as well. All right, so here's a little spoiler, but I do actually now have this whole 9 Patchalong quilt all quilted, and here's a few teases. This class starts in September 2025. It's a free machine quilting class. I love showing you how to use my machine quilting rulers. We'll open registration later this summer, so if you're not receiving our emails, make sure you run to our website and get on our list. Also subscribe here because I drop lots of videos here, getting you ready and getting you excited. And you can expect over the next, actually several months, I will be sharing the bonus videos. So at the bottom of the 9 Patchalong class sample, there are 9 bonus blocks. And from now until the class starts, I'll be sharing how to quilt all of those designs. So get ready to have so much fun machine quilting with rulers. I'm super duper excited. Like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will be back soon with another fun machine quilting video.